hot summer day.
We interrupt this program to bring you the weather report. Get ready, folks. Looks like it's sizzling hot today.
Yummy! Whose weather report?
It's your granddad's favorite band, Sonny Boy. All right, puppies. Are you ready for a little trip?
I'm ready!
Don't forget your hat. You don't want your hats big, do you?
I don't want to wear a hat.
You can always take it off.
I can hear you, Grandpa.
Bye, Gran.
Bye,
Thanks for the pancakes.
It was so delicious.
Yummy, yummy.
Woof, woof, hey.
Lovely day.
Hey, wait for me.
Oh, I think the weather report was right. Phew, so hot. I'm tired.
Yes, it is very hot. Well, how about some ice cream?
Ice cream, yay! Thank you.
You're welcome, kids.
Oh no, it's dripping! How about we get cool at the fountain? Let's go! Wow! Is it broken?
No, Tassel. It just dried up because of the heat.
Hot! Gran, do something! Pretty please!
Don't worry. I know a place we can go. Come on, catch up. Blah, blah, blah. Weather report. My foot. The winter is here.
Oh boy! I didn't know they were open during summer.
How unusual, with so many customers today. Don't you stand there, guys. Hurry up and come on in.
Gran, you're the best! Yeah! Great idea, Gran! I feel fresh and breezy. I love ice skating, especially in midsummer.
Wonderful. Ruff, ruff, hey.
Lovely day!
How lovely.
Here we go! Hey, nice job, Grandpa! Yeah, doing great!
And so, together with Grandpa,
The magician. Tickle and Brush have been waiting for this day for the entire past week. Today is the day when they go to the fair.
Dad, I want to go karting!
Sure.
Ooh, I want to ride the Ferris wheel!
Sure, we'll ride the wheel.
Hey! Oh, and can we get some popcorn?
Of course, Bagel. And we'll buy some cotton candy too. How's the plan?
So cool! Whoa! This place is awesome!
Okay, is everybody ready?
Yay!
Woof, woof, hey.
Lovely day! Oh! Oh, that way!
Must be funny.
Whoopsie! Sorry! Oh, thanks! You're a real magician! So cool!
And now I will need one assistant from the crowd.
Oh,
Would you like to help, young man?
very much!
Alakazoo, alakazam.
Wow! What a trick!
Abracadabra.
job, son.
That was really great.
Keep it as a token of gratitude.
Thank you so much. Ba-dums. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the real magician, Tickle. Alakazam, alakazoo.
Very nice.
What a cheering audience! And now for the main part.
Ooh.
I will take your things, and I will make them disappear.
We'll see.
Madam? The hat is full, Master. Thank you, my dear. Alakazoo, alakazam, boom!
Impressive.
Real magic! That is it! Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching our performance.
But what about our things, Bagel?
Hey, my doll! Don't cry. I'm sorry, but I don't know how to bring them back.
Hey, baby, don't cry. We'll find your doll. I promise.
Tricky magic.
Don't panic. We'll think of something.
Hey, what's this?
It's that magician's card. There's a phone number.
So let's call him.
Hello? We have a bit of a problem with the magic hat. It doesn't want to give our things back. Yes. One moment, please. He says he will only talk to a true magician.
Hello? Yes. Sure. Of course. Thank you. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Come here, Brush. Can you fix it? The show must go on. Abra. Cadabra.
Bravo!
You
Good
did it.
job.
Hooray!
What a great show.
My doll.
Woof woof, hey!